Why wear a simple sleeves when you can add drama to it? Let's learn to cut and stitch this gathered sleeve with lace. Before we start, our channel is all about learning fashion design. We make videos related to drafting, sewing, embroidery, illustration, design concept and lot more. If you wish to learn from these topics, do subscribe our channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I have taken here the sleeve material. Length is around 23 inch and width is 20 inch. I have folded the fabric. Now place the sleeve block and trace only the armhole shape. If you don't have it, you can check my video on how to make sleeve block with easy step-by-step instructions. So you can make one for yourself. After tracing, I'm going to add seam allowance at the side and make a straight line, taking the complete width at hemline. Now let's cut, and don't forget to add seam. I have given the shape of front armhole after cutting. I have ironed it on fold so I get a center line. Mark 15.5 inch from the top. This comes below the elbow. On the marked center line, place the lace and mark its width. Do it on both sides. Always cross-check your marking as they need to be perfect. From the mark point, mark inwards ½ inch. And extend it till the 15th mark we had made earlier. And then join these two lines. It will look like a door. Now from the line you just made, go outward 1/4 inch on both the sides. and 1/2 inch on the top. So we have a door and its outer line. Cut on the inside carefully. Cut diagonally till the outer line. Now, from the sides, fold it on the right side where we had made a line and iron it. Do the same with hemline. So I have ironed it, the side and hemline. For the top side, fold it on the wrong side and iron. Okay, I have done that. Now we will close the sleeve by folding it and stitching at its side. On the folded side, I want you to make a full length stitch so that we can make gathers. Pull the thread to make gathers. And the length would become around 3.5 to 4 inch. Place the lace on the folded area, leaving about 1/2 to 1 inch on the top. And I am going to stitch at its edge. Then continue on the hemline and finish it till the other gathered side. To continue at the hemline, let the needle be down. Lift the presser foot up, then turn the fabric and lace, adjust them, and then continue stitching. So here I'm done attaching the lace. Let's finish off the top side. On the wrong side, arrange the lace properly. Now we have to stitch the lace only with the folded fabric. Add pins so that it doesn't move. And remember, stitch only at the folded line. I did a zigzag stitch on the raw end. You can also overlock to give a neat finish. Join the lace at its edge. Simply give a tack stitch. I have joined around 3 inch of lace. Just to add a little more drama, I'm attaching this pretty heart-shaped charms with tiny beads. You can add tassels and pearls, whatever you like. It's going to look like this. That's it from me today. Thank you everyone for watching. Any doubts or anything you wish to learn, let us know through email, comments or message. Details are provided in the description box. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up, share among your friends and do subscribe our channel. Bye.